Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Alex Charles Kayinga and I am a student in Janan Secondary School, Bombo campus. Now I am in Senior 5 and one of the most interesting things that I have found with this school is anything to do with the vocational studies. Now let me tell you, in Janan Schools, you do not only come and enter to study and then leave with a certificate that has anything to do with maybe academics only. Guess what? They provide vocational training and skills attainment to a child. Now let me talk about the skills and vocations in Janan Schools. We have very many, ranging from welding, electrical installation, graphics designing, radio and television presentation, tailoring, bakery and hairdressing. Guess what? All of those are found in Janan Schools. Now, what you need to do is only bring your child to Janan Schools and let them have a taste of these vocations, because number one, vocations quicken the mindset of the child, because in this world where we are going, where somebody needs to have, they're not only looking at what the child can put on paper, but what can the child do. And Janan Schools have got quite a hand when it comes to that. Now, come next year, I am ready and very much happy to inform you that next year we will be adding something on our vocations. Guess what it is? We are going to be adding driving lessons onto the vocations we are providing, because number one, we have realized it is very easy for someone to get out of school and then they want to purchase a car, but you don't know how to drive a car. Isn't that right? So we are going to be providing driving lessons to students so that a child can leave school when they know how to drive a car. And now you're going to be having a certificate in academics, a certificate for vocations, and you can even drive a car. So only what you need to do is bring your child to Janan Schools, because we have a variety for them.
Janan Schools, we strive to excel.